Dear Secretary Manalo, dear Enrique, it's truly a pleasure to be here. Thank you for the productive discussion we had today. So the European Union's relationship with the Philippines is already on a positive trajectory. Today, we take it to another level. First of all, we share a commitment to upholding the rules-based international order, to promoting peace and stability, and to addressing common challenges together. These include the developments in the South China Sea and Russia's illegal war of aggression in Ukraine. Today, we announce the establishment of new EU-Philippines security and defense dialogue. This will be a dedicated platform through which we can deepen our cooperation, exchange expertise on security and defense, and explore joint initiatives that contribute to the regional as well as global security. Our work will be comprehensive and will include maritime security, cybersecurity, foreign information manipulation and interference, counterterrorism, crisis response, and more. But our partnership and dialogue goes beyond security and defense. We are already enhancing our cooperation in digital connectivity, people-to-people contacts, green economy, and we will move forward with the next rounds of negotiations of a free trade agreement. The European Union is a firm believer in multilateralism, and it is also a committed partner to ASEAN and regional cooperation between EU and ASEAN. We look forward to working closely with Philippines as you are the chair of ASEAN in 2026. And today, Secretary Manalo and I also discussed the recent midterm elections in the country, and I underlined our regret about the restrictions to the access of our electoral observation mission despite arrangements prior to the deployment. Last but definitely not least, as we all know very well, peace and security and stability are fundamental. This is why the European Union is committed to supporting the peace process in Mindanao, and we also contribute to the humanitarian work on the ground. In today's complex and contested geostrategic environment, it is more important than ever to build strong partnerships. The European Union is a reliable, predictable, and credible, ambitious partner to the Philippines, and we see strong potential to deepen our cooperation even further. So thank you again for welcoming us. Thank you.